Area of a circle. The formula for area of a circle is area equals pi times radius squared. So in this case, we typically use 3.14 for pi unless we're told otherwise. So multiply that times 5 squared gives us 78.5 square centimeters on the first circle. Always look to see if you're given radius. In this case, we were given diameter of 6, so your radius is 3. Start with your formula and then with your substitution step. So 3.14 times 9 gives us 28.26 square meters. There are some specific instructions you need to look for. One is asking you to estimate the area of a circle. In that case, when you substitute in, you use 3 for pi. So a equals 3 times 6 squared, or a equals 3 times 36 to give you 108 square meters. You might also be asked to find area but leave in terms of pi. Again, your formula and your substitution step, but this time you don't substitute in for pi. You treat it like a variable and you get 25 times pi square inches. The last one is to use the fraction equivalent of pi, which is 22 over 7. It's still an estimate. Your formula and your substitution step, so sub in 22 over 7. R squared means R times R, so 7 times 7 can cancel, and 22 times 7 is 154. Let's see why this works. If you were to estimate the area of this circle using 3 for pi, you would say 3 times 5 squared, which is 3 sets of 25, or area is about 75 square meters. If what they're actually saying is if you made a square using the radius for a side, you would get a 25 square meters here. Using another radius of 5 meters, you would have 5 times 5 gives you another square of 25. And another here, 5 times 5, is another area of 25 square meters. So we have 3 sets of 25. And that's what we've drawn on our circle. There's the first and the second and the third set of 25. The reason this works is because you might take the extra pieces that are outside the circle and substitute those back in to fill up the rest of the circle. That's just an estimate. Using a closer estimate of 3.14, we could do 3.14 times 25, and then we would have a better estimate, A equals 78.5.